In today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best quality baby stroller in present year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5 best quality product, the 5 best baby stroller reviews in the present time. We are going to check out 5 best quality baby stroller this year. This list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best product on their price, quality, durability, and many more. If you want to see this product latest price and find out more information about this baby stroller, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Now we are going to start our 5 best quality baby stroller reviews. Our best 5. Foldable portable baby stroller, Azure. Main features: frame material, high-strength carbon steel tube, strong and stable, can bear the weight of 60 kilograms adult. Trolley case design, release mother's hands. Telescopic pull rod, dragging is more labor-saving. It can be folded and stored with one hand, and it can be easily collected even with a baby. Small size, easy to carry. Lightweight and compact, it doesn't take up space, it can be taken on planes, trains, etc. It's easy to switch between sitting and lying down. 115-170 degree backrest can be adjusted freely. Comfortable anti-milking milk, also suitable for newborns using. Our best 4. Alfawise A10 1-key folding baby stroller carrier, gray. Do you remember the last time when you took your baby out? Were you exhausted in the end? Carry your sweetie with Alfawise A10 baby stroller instead. Go everywhere easily, fold in several seconds to board while keeping your baby comfortable and safe. With the baby stroller, all your baby needs can be satisfied. The 0-36 months old can sit comfortably, stretch, or lie down to sleep. On a sunny day, deploy the canopy to protect the little one from the strong sunlight. Features: labor-saving and practical, 1-button car receiving function, one-handed operation is easy and effortless, and no resistance is smooth. Easy tow, pull bar handle design, easy to pull out at any time, can board the plane, car trunk. Stable shock absorber. 1.2 mm thick anti-aging aluminum tube, the overall structure is more stable. 5-point safety buckle, front and rear 4-wheel suspension to prevent bumps, with the brakes in case of danger can brake at any time, giving BB the best protection. Lightweight and portable, the folding size is only 51x46x20 cm, which is equivalent to the size of a backpack. The bear car has a net weight of only 5.5 kilograms. Environmentally friendly and healthy. 300D cationic fabric, sunshade and breathable. Comfortable seat, adjustable angle seat, while thickening the seat cushion, whether sitting or lying down, give the baby a more comfortable experience. Let the baby fall in love with the cart. Easy to clean. The roof can be removed and washed frequently, and the cloth is often changed to better care for your baby. Free stretch, the front armrest can be removed to facilitate the baby to be taken out. The baby can give the baby more room to stretch under the protection of the 5-point safety buckle. Parameters: cloth material, 300D cation tent fabric. Frame material, all aluminum alloy, 6001 aluminum. Number of sunroof, 1 zippered window. Seat width x depth, 36x 22.5 centimeters. Age, 0-36 months. Expanded size, 70x 46x 101 centimeters. Folded size, 51x 46x 20 centimeters. Maximum load, 20 kilograms. Our best 3. YOYAplus A09 folding 4-wheel shock absorber baby stroller, gray cloud white support. Features: one-handed operation, one-click opening, one-touch, small storage, easy to carry, can be on the plane, luggage trolley design, ultra-wide and extra-long seat, 80 cm internal length, 38 cm internal width, suitable for all stages of age baby. The correct sitting angle gives the baby a comfortable ride. The flat line angle makes it better to ensure the baby's spine and sleep more comfortable. Frame material, 6013 aluminum alloy. Comfortably you can use this, it gives you the best value for money. Our best 2. YOYAplus 3 high landscape pram cart baby stroller, black support. Features: trolley case design, release mother's hands. Telescopic pull rod, dragging is more labor saving. 1 button to close the car, 1 second to fold. It can be folded and stored with one hand, and it can be easily collected even with a baby. Small size, easy to carry. Lightweight and compact. It doesn't take up space, it can be taken on planes, trains, etc. It's easy to switch between sitting and lying down. 175 degrees backrest can be adjusted freely. Comfortable anti-milking milk, also suitable for newborns using. Intimate details, adjustable telescopic foot drag makes the baby ride more, built-in spring, universal wheel design, effective shock absorption, easy to deal with different road conditions. High-quality aluminum alloy frame, strong and stable, can bear the weight of 65 kilograms adult. Our best one. Xiaomi MiTU folding stroller multifunctional trolley case for babies, platinum. Main features. The high-strength aluminum alloy is the overall frame and the weight of the whole vehicle is controlled to 6.8 kilograms. Through the exquisite mechanical linkage design, the folding experience is easy. The size is small and compact after folding. Comes with a specially selected 6-inch non-toxic PU foam wheel. The 4-wheel independent damping system significantly reduces the ground tremor and is stable and comfortable. With 8 bearings and 2 360-degree front wheels, the fluency and smoothness are greatly improved, and the baby sits comfortably while the roller is on the road. The 5-point seat belt is protected by a disseminated force to prevent the baby from accidentally crashing. 1-button dual brake system that meets the requirements of European standards for safer wheels. Comes with a UPF 50 Plus professional grade sun protection canopy, double layer waterproof. Note, designed for 0-3 years old whose weight is 15 kilograms or lighter. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.